Hello. All right. Hello, everyone. Welcome to my poster presentation OP4. So I'm Dwi here. So today I'm gonna present my idea or expo for UVita, a smart UV monitoring solution. So first, I will introduce some of my friends. So this is me. So my friend Phi, Thông, Phong, Tom, and Hin. Also, there's mentor for us to think about this project. So first, I will introduce this project first. So UV radiation pose significant health risks, include skin damage and cancer. Yet public awareness remain low. Traditional UV monitoring rely on weather report, which lack real-time personalization. UVita address this gap. So UVita address this gap by combining IoT hardware with a mobile app to provide instant UV index data. So this innovation empower user to adopt proactive sun protection, measure the gap between technology. So to sum up, this project is just to address the real-time data from the sun. Here, as you can see, from the sun to the phone case, and from the phone case we have the hardware like Bluetooth sensor for detecting the sun. Then when it's get the data from here, then we're gonna transfer it to server. Then we save it. Then the user can access whenever um, they have the phone. They can access to the server. They can know the data, the real-time data. So there's an overlook from our product. So it has a light sensor, Arduino Pro Mini battery. This is cost a lot of from us around like $20 maybe. So this is a UV sensor, Bluetooth, buck boost, charge modules. This is really cheap for us, but the battery is really hard to affordable. So for the hardware, there's some sensor called UV, called ML8911 and TSL2961 for light, and this for UV. This will capture the real-time environmental data. And for the controller, like a CPU in the computer, so we use the microcontroller for save money more. We're using I don't know Pro Mini process to process the input, which means the sun. No, which means the sun that the sun data in here. This is the I don't know mini. Okay, this is the sensor here, and also the light. The light is for detecting whenever the phone is inside or outside. So for example, if we're in house indoor, then we have a little light from the table light or something. It still detect the UV. So that's why we add more light. But initial one we don't have the light, but we just add it into the new version. So for communication, we use Bluetooth module to transmit the data from to smartphone. So we use the Bluetooth because of the saving battery. At first, we try to use the NFC for transfer the data, but maybe it's quite hard for us. So this is just for temporary. If we have more time or something, we will improve it. So for the app development, we use Flutter, Android Studio for Android app, and Flutter for iOS app. Backend Firebase to store the data. and user management because it's free. So we use C++ for the project on the Arduino sensor reading the UV data. So it will show the risk from 0 to 11. 11 is the highest UV and 0 is no UV at all. And it will send directly to the notification from the phone. Here is the raw data set that we collect from the Arduino IDE. So as we can see here, this is the UV index from 0 to 11. So it's in here. I get just this is inside, indoor, because it's really low UV in here, as you can see. Okay, for the fourth figure, it will show the map that display the real-time UV level at the user location. So we try to collect the data a lot, but this is the only row that we're trying to collect. From this row to this row, we go from here, go here, then we go back, go here. So this is the data we just collect, which means it's around uh, 11 plus. I guess it's really high, as you can see here. But if more user using this app, so we can get more the UV data from everywhere. So this is the interface from the application. It has the menu bar, notification, the news, the solution or maybe the suggestion for solving the UV problem. From this temperature and UV index, it will cause to many CV problems. So we suggest some problem to solve um, the cost from here. So we use the datasets from the NASA. So for example, we use the map, um, the the data like the news. We add it to the news. And this is for some example for notification, giving information for users, suggest when to go outside. He suggests some local healthy events warning system. There's a lot of function here. Okay, so conclusion, creating the UV app to transfer the case from phone case to mobile by Bluetooth. Develop new UV index map on UVita. Provide health solution, personalized UV for user, and personalized UV data for user, and construct ground level UV measurement dataset. So in the future, we're gonna improve this app more friendly. We build a shell system for anyone that they can use. More popular, publish app on a Play Store or maybe App Store. Okay. So this is our reference that we used, and this is our project that we just got an achievement in the NASA space app. Okay. Thank you for listening. That's it.